There are 5 ways that you can have money sent to you that will help you in your business that you may not know about. I'm going to show you each of them. First, I'm going to give you a free gift. If you go to myincomeassistant.com, you can sign up for a free account here. There is no catch to this. Sign up for a free account, and this will help you with your tax information, with your formation of your company information, all kinds of things that help you with your income as a solopreneur or as an entrepreneur. And I built this because there were so many questions that I know first-time business owners have about what they should do and how they should move with the money that they're making off of digital products or off of consulting or coaching. It's not super easy to find that information online, so I put that information into one place. This does not take the place of an accountant or a lawyer, but it does give you a ton of information and helps you with your customized questions. There's even an AI chatbot that will talk to you about exactly what you ask it. So sign up at myincomeassistant.com. It's absolutely free. There's no upsells and, there's no catch to it. Just go check it out. Okay. So the first way you're going to be able to make money is through a state's business incentive. And what I mean by that is that every state in the United States has some form of money in the millions, hundreds of millions, or even billions of dollars every single year that is earmarked to give back to their citizens who are building businesses or to keep people in business. And you can go look for your own. I'm in California right now, so I'm looking at the California page, but you just put your state name, business incentives, and Google that, and it'll pull up your state. And you can do it by industry, by function, by incentive type. You can even download the list. So you see here, advanced manufacturing, agriculture, timber, biotech, recyclers, and more, transportation. Film and television, of course, because that's where we are in California. Here's Texas, where I'm from. So this one's super interesting. This is just one of many of their programs, which is if you're putting on an event in Texas, you can apply to get an incentive. So it says the event specific trust funds created to help pay for qualified expenses associated with an event to which both the state and applicant must contribute. The state's contribution may not exceed the projected increase in state sales and use, auto rental, hotel, and alcoholic beverage taxes generated. It's just really, really interesting. Applicants must contribute $1 in local tax gains for every $6.25 the state contributes. That's pretty interesting. So they're saying essentially you have a $10,000 event, they'll pay, let me do the math fast. They'll pay 8,000 of it. They'll pay 7,000 of it. Really, really interesting. Really interesting. So that's just one of those in Texas. There's Governor's University Research Initiative, Texas Enterprise Zone, economic development tool for local communities to partner with the state of Texas to promote job creation and significant private investment that will assist distressed areas of the state, and so on. So you go through here and you see what you do. Now, another thing that happens is that the state itself sometimes needs vendors, needs them all year round to provide food, catering, uh, lawn care, events care, uh, trash removal, things like that, that the state itself needs. So the state goes out and asks for a bid from its citizens who have businesses that are like these. I've even seen it where a state has had incentives for business coaches because they're trying to train small business owners and they bring in business coaches and pay them to do so. So I would highly recommend if you do nothing else on this list, you look up your state name plus business incentives and see what you can find. The next thing I'm going to show you is you can get credits and deductions for your business. So go to the IRS. I know that's not our favorite site, but go to the IRS website, look up credits and deductions for business, and you can see all types of things that you can actually get claimed on your tax refund or uh, um, your taxes that you could actually save money or actually get money back. I am not a tax expert. This does not replace that at all. This website is for information purposes, but you can see all the information here. I'm sure there's something here that you did not think you could get a benefit from. Now, if you go back over to the myincomeassistant.com tool that I give you for free, you can actually ask it about any of these things that you learn about that you're interested in that doesn't get answered on the site, the government site itself. You can actually ask it here, the assistant, and it'll tell you. Number three are things that you can get from the Hello Alice website. Now, this is a company that I've invested in, so I want to make sure you know that. I invested in them years and years ago, and they're really awesome. They have more than 1 million small business owners who are women who are on their site and using their resources. And one of the resources they have is funding. And what they do is they help you with a credit card that's really helpful to you. You have to check it out for yourself and make your own decision. I'm not going to tell you to get it. They have business loans and growth opportunities. And the growth opportunities are grants that they partner with other companies to provide. So they're always happening all year round. Right now, it looks like they have the Allstate Main Street Grants Program, $2 million to help power the next chapter for small businesses across America's main streets. And then the Up and Running grants from eBay, which is supporting the next generation of entrepreneurs as well. So you click into these, you see more information about their deadlines and what you're supposed to fill out, and then you see if you have a chance there. There are also business loans that they help you get. So you can apply now straight from this marketplace on Hello Alice and see if you qualify for a loan. They give you fast access to funds when you need them, inclusive credit opportunities that suit you and your business, and more. Okay? So this is all just letting you know how it works. Please make your own decisions. Because I'm invested in this company, I don't want to tell you to go do this. I just want you to go look at it and make your own decisions. Let me know in the comments if these are helping you so far. Let's see if it's helping you. Let me know in the comments right now. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Number 4, SBA loans, like straight up Small Business Association loans, again from the U.S. government. Now, before you say, oh, it's the government, I don't like that. Let me tell you something. The government is made up of thousands and thousands and thousands of employees. It is diverse, and it is all over the country that people live. And there are so many people I have met who work for the Small Business Administration, no matter who the president is, who want to see you succeed. They want to give you a SBA-backed loan. They want to be your lending partner. So please go to the site, sba.gov, look at their funding programs, including their loans, and see if there's anything that you can apply for. It won't hurt you to apply, in my opinion. Why not try? Okay? The next I'm going to show you is, oh, yes, this is one's really, really interesting. Okay, so you are probably taking courses, you're getting, you're doing different things to level up for self-help for your business. Did you know that you could actually be able to potentially deduct some of the costs of your work-related education expenses paid during the year if you are a self-employed individual or any of these other things, like an armed forces reservist, a qualified performing artist, come on now, musicians, a fee-based state or local government official, or a disabled individual with impairment-related education expenses. Please go to the IRS or search for this. Topic number 513. Topic number 513. Work-related education expenses. This will help you get the information you need. And if you don't get all the information you need, head over to My Income Assistant to help you dive deeper. So this will help you get what you need. There's more information here in the tax benefits for education section to help you out. Now, I have a couple more ways to make money What I want to do though, I want to make sure that this is the type of video that you actually want. So if you made it to this part of the video, I want you to say a code word I'm going to give you in a moment. And if you type that code word as a comment, it will tell me that yes, you want the part two to this because I have something, well, actually it's three different things that I could not fit into this video because I think it would be too much to work with. But you let me know so that I know to do it and tell me if you want me to do it right away or if you can wait. Okay, so the code word is uh, abundance. Abundance is the code word. Abundance. And try to spell it. You can do it. Tell me, type that word if you want me to make the part two of this video. And it also tells me this video helped you. And then say, also, I'd like you to do it right away or I can wait. Okay, see you later.